Another historic business is back on Sanibel, the latest sign of community coming back after years of devastating hurricanes. Gulf Coast News reporter Gina Tomlinson spoke with the Anchor Inn owner about what this means for the island's future.
On Sanibel, you can feel the comeback in motion, not just in the traffic, but here on the trails. And if you're hungry after your ride, good luck. At some spots during peak time, it can be hard to find a seat. The Anchor Inn, a historic Sanibel staple, officially reopened today. Along with more than 30 hotel rooms, its iconic A-frame cottages on Periwinkle Way are restored.
We kept the bones of like every single building. The only thing we added was the dormer window so we could add a staircase. It's safer.
And it's not just the Anchor Inn making a comeback.
But even in the last year, we've seen so many businesses open. Lots of businesses have renovated what they had before. The restaurants are all open and running. I mean, this island is thriving right now.
Oh my God! I love it!
Right now, 74% of Sanibel's hotel rooms are back online. And many of them, the Chamber of Commerce says, booked solid.
Some of the restaurants are having incredible months, and then the beach revenue, the beach parking has been up. Compared to last season, a lot less construction, a lot more tourism.
And if you need proof of that, just ask Billy Kirkland. He runs Billy's Bike Rentals, a piece of Sanibel history himself.
Well, I've started in Lee County in 1977. I've been on Sanibel since 1985.
Billy's seen Sanibel at its best and its worst. And while this season has been his busiest since Ian,
Pre-Ian, we're probably down about 40% right now. It's getting there. You got to have patience.
one of the biggest challenges, staffing. With fewer places to live on the island, some businesses are still struggling to fill shifts.
Trying to find new employees, so if you're looking for a job, I'd love to have you here with us.
And while many favorites are back, some icons we're still waiting for.
Mucky Duck is definitely the one that's missing.
But from the shops to the sand, Sanibel's comeback is clear.
It's not just an emotion, it's something that you can almost tangibly feel.
On Sanibel Island, I'm Gina Tomlinson, Gulf Coast News.